Hi, welcome to today's Sprouts Craft. My name is Kat and I'm the children's librarian here at the Tewksbury Public Library in Tewksbury, Massachusetts. Today we're going to teach you how to make PomPom Hedgehogs. This is a really fun one. All you need is some yarn, a piece of paper, whatever color you like, a glue stick, a pair of scissors, and a grown-up's help. You ready to get started? The first thing you want to do is take your yarn and cut a little piece off the end. This is just a couple inches long. We're going to set this aside because we need it later. Then take the rest of your yarn, put up 3 fingers. You can use 4 if you want a bigger pom-pom. You can use 2 if you want a smaller one. It's up to you. And you're just going to wrap the yarn around and around and around and around until you have a nice thick bundle of yarn on your fingers. The more we wrap, the puffier our hedgehog will be. Let's see. I think that looks pretty good. I'm going to cut off the end here. And then here is the tricky part. This is much easier if you have a grown-up to help you. But you want to be able to take your piece of string that we cut off earlier, and you can put it between your fingers. There we go, and around. So I have it going all the way around all of the yarn, so we keep it how it is. I'm gonna pull this off really carefully and take these 2 ends and tie them into a knot. Here we go. Nice and tight. We don't want anything to fall apart. We're gonna pull that nice and as tight as we can make it. There we go. So we have a little bundle with a knot in the middle. Now I'm going to take my scissors, this is the grown-up part, and cut through all the loops. Any loop you can find, we want to cut. And that makes a nice puff there. And we're going to do the same on the other side. Just trim all the loops. And this is why the hedgehog, the pom-pom, will be puffier for our hedgehog if you put more on there. But doesn't that look nice? We're all set. Now we just need to make the face. All right, now you take your piece of paper. I have pink here because my yarn had some pink in it and I thought it was pretty. And we're gonna cut out a circle. And I made mine just about as big around as the hedgehog was. And take your scissors and cut a slit from the bottom to the middle. And then when you fold it under and around, it'll make a little cone, like an ice cream cone. And this will be our face. I'm gonna put some glue on here and hold it closed. There we are. And then I'm gonna take a crayon and color in his nose. There we go, just a little triangle for the nose and a couple cute little eyes. You can draw on some ears if you like, but I kind of like mine just how he is. And then we're gonna put some glue on the inside of the cone. This might work better with a bottle of glue than a glue stick, but this should work fine too. He just might not hold together as well if you play with them. And we're gonna glue him right into the pom-pom and push, push, push in so it holds tight. And there we have our PomPom Hedgehog. Isn't he cute? This was a real quick and easy craft, but now that you know how, you can make PomPom Hedgehogs in every color and every shape for every holiday if you like. You can have them all over the house or give them out as gifts. They're kind of fun. Thank you so much for joining me today for our craft. You can follow us here on YouTube and see all of our other craft and science videos and story times, or you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Tewksbury LIB to see all the other amazing programs we have to offer. Have a great day.